Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to our channel, and if you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Our channel is filled with candy making, cake, cupcake, and cookie decorating videos. We are a baking, decorating, and candy making supply store, so we will also post new videos when we get new products in store. If you want to see all the products that we offer, click the link in the description. Today we will be making a layered piped heart cake. Let's get into the video. Start by preparing a heart template. Print a heart that is slightly smaller than your cake. Trace the heart onto a piece of parchment paper and cut out. Place your template on top of one of the cake layers and cut using a serrated knife. Repeat this step with the other cake layer. Set your cut cake layers to the side and get ready to prepare the buttercream. You will need pre-made or from scratch made buttercream, a bowl, 4 piping bags, a variety of piping tips, gel food colors, and a spatula. If you are using a pre-made buttercream, be sure to mix the frosting before you put it in a piping bag or color. Place some buttercream in the mixing bowl and set to the side while we fill the first piping bag. To fill a piping bag, first place open star tip number 21 in the bag and cut the tip of the bag off and push it into place. If the slits of the tip do not stick out of the bag all the way, cut off a little more and try again. Fold down the top of the bag to form a cuff, then place in a tall cup to help fill the bag. Once you have filled the bag with white buttercream, unfold the cuff and squeeze frosting down towards the tip. Set aside while we color the remaining frosting. We used deep pink from Americolor to make a light pink frosting. Add a small amount of color to the spatula and mix well. Continue adding the color until you reach your desired shade. When we are coloring light colors, we squeeze the color onto the edge of the bowl. This allows us to control how much color is added. We used closed star tip number 852 with the light pink buttercream. Repeat this process with dark pink and red buttercream using tip number 805 and 866 respectively. We used a combination of deep pink and red gel colors to create a bright pink, and red gel color to create the red. We recommend mixing the colors in this order so that you only have to use one bowl to color the frosting. To assemble the cake, spread a small amount of frosting on the cake board and attach the first layer. Choose one color to start with and pipe dollops along the edge. Repeat this step with each color. Fill in the remaining space with white buttercream. We piped a few large stars on top of the white frosting so the elevation matched the outside edge. Place the second layer on top and press down gently to adhere. To decorate the top, randomly pipe rosettes and dollops over the entire surface. We started with the largest piped rosette, then filled in with smaller piped dots. Before the buttercream crusts over, add a Valentine sprinkle mix. To finish this cake, we added white jewel dust, which is an edible glitter. Funnel the dust into a dry dust pump, then spray all over the cake. Thank you for watching our video, and if you want to make this piped heart cake yourself, check out the link in the description and that will take you to our website. Linked below that photo are all the products that we used in this video. Be sure to comment and let us know what you thought of this video, and if you think of anything else you would like us to create, let us know. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Country Kitchen Sweet Art to stay updated on our new products, sales, and holiday items. See you next time!